How to make Korean cheese corn dogs at home, crunchy and melty. Recipe. Ingredients for 4 corn dogs. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2 tsp sugar. 1 tsp baking powder. 1 egg. Cup milk. Pinch of salt. 4 mozzarella cheese sticks or cut a block into sticks. 1 cup panko breadcrumbs for coating. Skewers. Oil for deep frying. Sugar and ketchup or mayo for topping. How to make it. Simple steps. 1. Prepare skewers. Add mozzarella, stick or half, mozzarella plus half, hot dog on a skewer. 2. Make the batter. In a bowl, mix flour, sugar, baking powder, egg, milk, and a pinch of salt. Batter should be thick. 3. Coat the corn dogs. Dip skewers into batter, roll in panko breadcrumbs. Optional. Press diced fries onto it for potato corn dog. 4. Fry it golden. Heat oil to 350F180C and deep fry until golden brown and crispy, about 3-4 minutes. 5. Toppings. Sprinkle with sugar, drizzle, ketchup, mayo, or mustard, and enjoy.
Subscribe to my channel.